Hi there. I recommend this kind of solar for most farmers, especially if your farm is a little bit big. I recommend this kind of solar for you instead of depending on electricity that might not really work out. So you could just get this kind of solar. I know the range of doing this solar is not even up to 2 million, if I guess right. So we have two battery attached to it. I'm not a solar person, like I don't have much idea about solar, but looking at all these things now, you have two battery here, and the first battery, I can't tell, this is 12 volts, the other two is 12 volts. So this solar system can carry can supply your farm 24/7. That is every day. It pumps water too. You can use it for your water, this thing, to pump your water. You can see they attach it with the submersible pumping machine. See the machine here. If you listen attentively, you will see that it's pumping. I think you can hear the sound of water passing through to the tank. You see, that's the solar system there with the battery attached to it. Then it supplies electricity to all the farms. So instead of wasting money buying generator or doing other things that might really cost you much, it's better to just spend money on the solar once and for all. And your farm is going to have lights 24/7. You can power everything that is necessary at your farm.